Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well, and I thought in this week's video we would do a little everyday makeup routine. Gone a little bit with the lipstick and everything, bit more added on because I'm going out for a meal with my friends, but I thought I'd show you guys my everyday glowy soft everyday makeup. All products I'm using will be linked below for you guys to go and buy yourself, along with some codes I have for you guys below as well. And let's just get straight into the video. I hope you guys enjoy. If you do, don't forget to hit that like button. I told you before, it really does help. And don't forget to subscribe and also hit that bell notification if you want notifications when I post a new video. So I hope you guys all enjoy this week's video, and let's get straight into it. The first thing I start off with is my primer from MUA Makeup Academy, and I use the Pro Base Moisturising Primer because my skin, I'm very prone to dry skin, so a primer with moisturising benefits in there really does help my skin. Next I am going in with my Revolution Conceal and Define Infinity Concealer in the shade C1. I absolutely love this concealer. It is so buildable, it gives me the perfect coverage. So I'm starting off by putting that on my eyes. I am then setting that with my matte base powder in P0 from Revolution. Next I'm taking my Maybelline Hyper Precise All Day liquid liner. I've started to use Forest Brown instead of black. I'm just finding it looking more natural on my eyes. Now I love going in with my MUA bronzed powder in the shade Solar on my eyelids. I just think having it on my eyelids and then contouring with this really melts it all together and makes me look really glowy and fresh. Next is my favourite part, which is foundation. Taking my Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation in F1. And I am blending that out with my Real Techniques Beauty Blender. And I am going back in with my Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C1 again, just on the places I feel like need brightening and a bit of extra coverage. I am using my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush for under my eyes. I just feel like this gives me a flawless finish, and then I go in with my Beauty Blender on top just to take away any brush lines. Once again, going in with my Revolution Matte Base Powder all over my face. Then going in again with my MUA bronzer, just defining my cheekbones, jawline, and taking it up to my forehead, temples as well. I love contouring my nose with this brush too. It is absolutely amazing. After curling my lashes, I go in with my Maybelline Great Lash in the shade Very Black. This is the most amazing mascara ever. I absolutely love it. Then go in with my Maybelline Great Lash Big. This is an actual lifesaver for me because I have very long fluffy eyelashes, and getting a thicker mascara brush just really helps feather out my lashes and makes them look super natural and even longer. So I absolutely love this little hack I found out. Then I'm going in with my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade 3. I usually go just with the natural shape of my brow, making it look super fluffy and full. I love that brow look. Then taking my Revolution Ultra Pro Glow palette and taking the two first shades just to put on my cheekbones and my nose, just to have a little bit of extra glow to my skin today. Taking my all-time favourite lip combo, the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Abu Dhabi, and on top of that using my NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Madeline. This combination together makes your lips look so yummy and full, and it's the perfect shade. Just pressing that more into my lips, making my lips look nice and full, and that is the end of my makeup for today.